Advanced Excel Tips. What is the best way to learn Advanced Excel? Advanced Excel Tips program that lots of people watch out for. It's a complicated item of software program, with a great deal of performance hiding away beneath the surface. It's easy to see why amateurs would certainly be put off by something so challenging, yet this effective piece of software is well worth the initiative. Excel has an online reputation for being the place you choose making tables. Yet its ability to organize information, perform challenging mathematical features as well as also create pictures is a real-time saver for just about any type of company specialist. And also it's not just for people that collaborate with numbers on a daily basis. Excel can help you compile information and lay it out in an easy-to-understand way. Exercise easy mathematics troubles in Excel. When it pertains to Excel, it's simplest to start with standard mathematics. By doing this, you can get a handle on keying into Excel as well as obtain comfy with its abilities prior to jumping into more complex tasks, such as discovering functions as well as sorts of format. Learn exactly how to develop tables while using Excel to execute basic mathematics is practical. It's possibly not the primary reason you require to learn the software. Most likely, you need to organize information, and creating tables is a great method to start. To start, select the information set, all of it, consisting of headings, you intend to convert into a table. Then, pick the Quick Evaluation alternative that pops up near the bottom edge of your option. From there, you can choose Table from the Tables tab in Excel. About Advanced Excel Certification. Advanced Excel Tips courses supply insightful dashboards, VBA macros, and also SQL via a strong concentrate on hands-on understanding methods as well as in-depth study. This training course instills Excel skills, teaches effective information visualization tools, and also a Tableau to present evaluation. Excel certification programs hold no qualification requirements. However, interested candidates from different measurable histories, looking for breakthrough Excel training as well as trying to find job-oriented extents, have to get some knowledge on analytics and reporting abilities utilizing MS Excel, VBA, MS Access, SQL, and also Tableau. Significance of Advanced Excel Certification in 2021. Excel is advanced software with loads of performance beneath its surface area, and also it can seem daunting to find out. However, Excel is not as challenging to find out as many people think. With the right training and technique, you can improve your Excel abilities and open yourself as much as even more work possibilities. Earning Advanced Excel accreditation can set you apart in the task market and shows employers as well as working with managers that you have the necessary skills to do the job. In some instances, having an Excel certification may even be a prerequisite to applying for the position. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for an advanced Excel tips in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best certification exam preparation course. This training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. The latest advanced Excel exams result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for this certification course every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/